Hi friends, today we discuss about the estimation of bleaching powder. So in the last video we have discussed about the chlorination, types of chlorination, doses of chlorination and various types like free available chlorine and residual chlorine, plain chlorination and breakpoint chlorination, super chlorination, dechlorination. All these we have studied in the last video. So today we start here the estimation of bleaching powder in the water treatment plant. How much quantity of bleaching powder should be required for the particular type of water treatment plant. So here the problem, calculate the quantity of bleaching powder required per day for disinfecting 4 million liter per day of water. Full stop. The dosage of chlorine has to be 0.5 ppm and the bleaching powder contains 30% of available chlorine. So this is the question here. So we have to calculate the quantity of bleaching powder required for this quantity of water to be treated as a disinfectant. So here the given data are the first we have to calculate the quantity of water. So here the quantity of water to be treated is quantity of water to be treated is how much? 4 million liter per day. So that is 4 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day. So this is the quantity of water. And next dosage of chlorine. Dosage of chlorine. So this is how much they have given, that is 0.5 ppm, or you may call it is mg per liter, 0.5 ppm. So the percentage of chlorine present in the water, that is percentage of chlorine in bleaching powder. So this equals 30%. So what they have asked, amount of bleaching powder required. Amount of bleaching powder required. This equal to how much? This is the question. So first we have to calculate the quantity of chlorine required. So here quantity of chlorine required, this equals, so as we know in the question they have given for 1 liter of water, the chlorine requirement is 0.5 ppm. In the question they have given, or you may call it as a mg per milligram per liter. So for this quantity of water 10 raised to 6 liters, so 4 million liter of water, what is the quantity of chlorine should be required? That equals, by calculating this you will get maybe 2 kg. So for this quantity of water 2 kg of chlorine should be required. So the quantity of chlorine is 2 kg. So therefore amount of bleaching powder required is equal to percentage of chlorine in bleaching powder. Percentage of chlorine in bleaching powder. So percentage of chlorine is given as 30 and bleaching powder, in the bleaching powder how much it is? 2 kg, right? 2 kg. So this divided by 100, so this equal to how much? So by doing this you will get the amount of bleaching powder as, therefore amount of bleaching powder is equal to, by simplifying this you will get 6.67 kg. So this is what the amount of bleaching powder required for this quantity of, that is 4 million liter per day. For this quantity of water this much of bleaching powder should be required, that is 6.67 kg. So let us, we have one more problem here. The problem is chlorine usage in the treatment of 25,000 meter cube per day is 9 kg per day. full stop. The residual chlorine after 10-minute contact is 0.2 mg per liter. 0.2 mg per liter. Okay, full stop. Then calculate the dosage in mg per liter and the chlorine demand of the water. So this is the equation. This is the question. In this question, the chlorine requirement for the treating of 25,000 meter cube per day is 9 kg per day. 9 kg per day should be required to treat this much that is 25,000 meter cube of water. And the residual chlorine is after 10 minutes contact, the residual chlorine is how much? 0.2 mg per liter. This is the data they have given. For using this data, they are told to calculate dosage in mg per liter and as also the chlorine demand of water. For that reason, here the quantity of water is equal to how much? 25,000 meter cube per day, right? And chlorine usage is equal to 9 kg per day. 9 kg per day they are given. And next residual chlorine. Residual chlorine how much they are given? 0.2 mg per liter. 0.2 mg per liter. So this is the residual chlorine. So for that reason, here they have given that 25,000 meter cube per day. So that is equals to 25,000 into 10⁻³ liter requires 9 kg. That is 9 into 10⁻⁶ milligram of chlorine. So for that reason, for 1 liter of water, how much amount of chlorine should be required, that we have to find out now. So by equating this equation, by simplifying, you will get 0.36 mg per liter of chlorine. So therefore chlorine demand is equal to chlorine dosage minus residual chlorine. So by doing this, you will get the total chlorine demand of that particular quantity of water. So chlorine dosage is how much? You will get here 0.36 mg per liter. And residual chlorine, in the question they have given after 10 minutes of contact, the residual chlorine is 0.2 mg per liter. It is 0.2 mg per liter. So by simplifying, you will get 0.16 mg per liter. So this is the chlorine demand of this water. So this is in mg per liter. They have asked here, calculate the chlorine dosage in mg per liter. So here mg per liter you will get, this is the answer. And second one, the chlorine demand of the water. So this is 0.16 mg per liter is the chlorine demand of water. So this is how to find out the this is what the estimation of chlorine or estimation of bleaching powder in the water treatment plant. Thank you.